Hello everyone, I'm Syed and welcome back to our channel Tech Hunter. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve a very common but frustrating problem. Many iPhone and iPad users face this issue nowadays. When they take photos with their Apple devices, the images are saved in HEIC, HEIF format. The problem is, many printers do not support HEIC files. Older versions of Windows cannot open them properly. Printing these photos often becomes difficult. So in today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert HEIC files into JPG format. I'll demonstrate two different methods. If you only need to convert a few photos, check mark. If you want to convert many photos at once, let's get started. I have a few HEIC photos here. As you can see, I'm using Windows 11, so I can open these files without any issues. However, if you're using an older version of Windows, the files may not even open. First, open your browser. Search for HEIC to JPG. You'll see several HEIC to JPG converter websites in the search results. I usually use one of these websites because it is completely free, easy to use, fast and convenient. After opening the website, click Select File. Choose your HEIC photos. Within a few moments, the conversion process will be completed. Click the Download button to save the JPG version. Now you can easily print the photo, open it on Windows, use it in any software without compatibility issues. If you only have 2 or 3 photos, the online method is perfect. But if you have 50 or 100 photos, converting them one by one can take a lot of time. In that case, we'll use a software solution. Open your browser and search for imazing HEIC converter. Download the software. After downloading, double-click the setup file. Then follow the installation steps. Next, I agree. Next, install. Complete the installation process. If you're an Apple user, the software may download some Apple-related components. These components help you easily transfer files from iPhone, iPad to your Windows computer. Once the installation is complete, open the software. From the top menu, go to Tools, Converter. Now select your HEIC photos. If you have a large number of photos, switch your folder view to View. Details, then sort the files by type. This makes it much easier to find all HEIC files. Select all the HEIC photos and drag them into the software window. You can choose the output format, JPG, PNG. I usually recommend JPG. You'll also see options for image quality and resolution. For the best results, always select maximum quality or large size. This ensures that your photos maintain their original quality and resolution. Click the Convert button. Choose a destination folder where the converted photos will be saved. If necessary, create a new folder. Then click OK. Within a few moments, all your HEIC photos will be converted into JPG format. Open the destination folder and you'll see that all your photos have been converted successfully. And the best part is, the image quality remains virtually unchanged. So friends, today we learned 2 simple ways to convert HEIC files into JPG format using an online converter, using software for bulk conversion. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.